In a world that tears things apart, you connect with broken hearts. Where absence draws a quiet line, you find the threads that still align. You believe in fractured signs, in quiet hope between the lines. Nothing ever slips away, you bring back what time won't stay. You're not here to race, you're here to remember. Not to forget, but to hold it together. You got